How to change your gender on Etsy. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender on Etsy easily. First thing, go to etsy.com, log into your account, and now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top right here, click on your account and go down, click on account settings. As you can see, now after you click account settings, go right here to your account settings and click edit profile. After you click edit profile, here you will find your profile informations. Go to gender and choose the gender that you want. After you finish choosing your gender, go down and click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.